Going over now is the hamstring curl, okay? So this is the opposite to the leg extension, which the leg extension isolated the quadricep. Now we're going on to the hamstring curl, which is going to isolate the hamstrings, which is the back of your legs, okay? So similar to the leg extension, what we want to be doing is we want to be ensuring that the setup's correct before we start, okay? Now this machine is slightly different to the typical ones you'll find in other gyms, okay? So typically what you'll find is a pad which will go just above the knees, okay? And you'll have exactly the same bottom pad here which will pop your feet in between, okay? Now this machine is different. This pad is going to sit just below the knee, so on the shins, okay? So make sure your seat is adjusted correctly. Now what you want to ensure is that the bottom pad is just above the ankle, okay? So if you find that it's on the ankle or it's on the bottom of your feet, you want to adjust that, okay? Now by doing that, what you can do is just pull this lever here. So by pulling this lever here, it will adjust it like so, okay? This is fixated in, okay? So this is always going to be there, but where it wants to be is just below the knee, okay? Now, the final thing you will adjust is this lever here, okay? So this is going to adjust the range of motion. Ideally, what you want to do is you want to have this adjusted so your legs are relatively straight, okay? So once that's all adjusted, what you want to be doing, okay? Again, think about squeezing the muscle you're working, okay? So we're working the hamstrings here, okay? So we want to be consciously thinking about squeezing them. So the way we can do that, again, drive the glutes into the seat. Ensure the lower back is against the seat as well, okay? So what you want to ensure as well is making sure that your back is not curving as you're performing this exercise. A lot of the time as this exercise gets quite hard, you'll see a lot of people in the gym, you know, curving their back to get it down, okay? So what you want to ensure is you keep in strict form and technique, okay? Way to do that, keep it nice and upright, squeeze the core, so make sure the lower back is against the seat, okay? Shoulders are nice and upright. Again, drive the glutes in, squeeze the hamstrings, come down, 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 hold it, squeeze it, 1, 2, then back up nice and slow, okay? Again, driving down, squeeze the hamstrings, holding it, 1, 2, back up nice and slow. And we'll go again, coming down, squeezing it, holding it, 1, 2, then back up nice and slow, okay? So make sure you try that. Again, the setup's always important when you're using machines, and let me know how that goes, okay? Thank you.